So let's take a look at logging into Connect. So from the start page, I'm going to click on the login button here, and it's going to bring up a window where I can enter in my email address and my password. Once you enter in your email and password, if you click Stay Signed In, it will actually store that, and the next time you log into or open up Business Center, you'll be able to log in automatically. If you don't have a Trimble account or a Trimble Connect account, go ahead and create your Trimble ID clicking down here. I'm going to click Sign In, and that's going to log me into Trimble Connect. Now, on the support page, if you go to Options, you're going to see that you have this External Services Profiles. You'll see that that profile is automatically created. It's the default profile, and I'm automatically signed in. So just by doing the login there, it created this account here. If you have other users who are using the same computer, you can go ahead and create Connect accounts, additional ones, by clicking on the Create here, and you can create another Trimble Connect for another user if you're sharing a computer. But that's one way to get to it. You can also delete it from here and change your password and your email if you wanted to.